Hello, my name is Ashok Kumar Pandey. Today's topic is linear equation in two variable. Let us start with the topic linear equation in two variables. Two variables. As we know that if we have two variables, we must have two equations. So let us take a general representation of those two equations. The first equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and the next equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Now if you draw on the graph the first equation and second equation for different value of x, you will get different value of y. You will get two lines. Clear? You will get two lines. Let us say this one is the line 1 and this one is the line 2. If you draw on the graph for different value of x, you will get different value of y. So when you draw or when you find those two lines, only three possibilities can happen on the xy axis. Let us see what are those possibilities. When you draw after those all that hard work, you will find only these three possibilities. Let us see what are those possibilities here. Okay, so first it can cross each other. Those two lines can cross each other at a single point. Got it? Next one is those two lines can be parallel to each other. They can never intersect each other at any point. This can happen. Okay. Now the third one is what could be happen in the third case. In third case, the possibility is those two lines can be coincident to each other. It means the first line and second line, their path are same when you draw. Got it? So what do you mean by single? They intersect at a single point. It means there is a one x and y value which satisfy both the equation. Now what do you mean by satisfy both the equation? When you put those x and y values in those two equations, the left hand side and right hand side will be equal to each other. Means at this condition we will get only 1 point. Got it? In the next case, they are parallel to each other, means they never intersect each other, means there is no any such point of x and y or any value of x and y which can satisfy given equation. Okay, so we don't get any value here of x and y. But when they coincident to each other, what do you mean by coincident to each other? Both equations will agree at each and or we can say that an infinite number of or infinite points x and y. At infinite value of x and y, they satisfy to each other. We can say that here the points which can satisfy the given equation is infinite. We can say that. Now when you draw those two lines on the graph, then only I can say that or you can say that whether they are intersect each other or parallel to each other, or the third one is the coincident to each other. But if you don't want to draw that line, okay, if you don't want to draw that graph by only seeing the equation, you want to say that whether they are intersect each other, they will intersect each other at a single point or parallel or coincident. There is another way, and that is the if you a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then only I can say that or you can say that the given two lines can intersect at any single point. Got it? For parallel case, if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2, then only we can say that the given two lines can be parallel to each other. They will not intersect at any point. It means that there is no any common point or there is no any x and y value which can satisfy the given two linear equation. When I say satisfy, it means both equations. Okay, that point should satisfy both equations. Now when they coincident to each other, the condition is when a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, then only given two equations are coincident to each other. It means there is infinite number of values or infinite number of points x and y that can satisfy the given two equations which are given to us. Got it? So this is the introduction of linear equations in two variables. Jai Hind.